Whether you're looking to refurbish your current premises or set up a brand new showroom, Blounts Commercial Interiors Ltd can help. We will be alongside you every step of the way, from the design process all the way through to the realisation of your vision. At Blounts, we provide ceilings and flooring, partitioning, security and fire systems, office furniture, air conditioning, lighting and even electric roller doors. With nearly 30 years of experience under our belt, we know what it takes to deliver a quality service for all work undertaken. Customer satisfaction is paramount to us, and we are only happy if you are. So whatever your showroom requirements, large or small, call Blounts Commercial Interiors today.